Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. I am very happy to meet you all in Banknifty July review. So without any delay, let's get started. So comparing to the month of May and June, this July month was better because May and June the market was stuck inside a dead sideways range. Now what I will do is let me separate each and every month. Now this is August, now this is July, and this is June, and this is May, and this is April, right? So you can clearly see in the charts, April month was trending on the upside. But May and June, it was stuck inside a tight range, especially this range. So even both option buyers and sellers were facing difficulty in trading inside this range. Not only option buyers, even option sellers. And even in the month of July, these days the market was stuck inside a range, and these days the market was stuck inside a range. Few trending markets was comforting for both the option buyers as well as the directional option sellers. So what are the trade opportunities we got? Now, last month the monthly CPR was average sized only. It's a medium sized CPR only. The candles bounced beautifully from monthly CPR. We all know very well that we can take a long position if the candles are taking support at CPR. We can take a long position when R1 is broken. We can take a long position when R2 is broken. We can take a short position when the market is reversing from R1. When the market is reversing from R2. So everything happened even in daily charts of Banknifty. So initially the candles reversed from monthly R1 and it came up to monthly CPR. And then the market reversed from monthly CPR and then it reached monthly R1, and then it broke monthly R1, and then it easily reached monthly R2, and then it broke monthly R2 and it reached monthly R2 R350 percentage levels in a single day. So all kind of opportunities we got in daily chart with respect to monthly CPR. Now let us check individually using daily CPR in 5 minutes chart. So we got few beautiful trending markets for the month of July. Now let me show you. On 3rd July itself, Banknifty broke R2 and it easily rallied up to R4. And on 4th July, Banknifty bounced from daily CPR. And even R1 previous day high was broken. On 5th July, it was stuck between CPR and previous day low. Probably you could have avoided that particular day. Now many people were expecting a trending market because it was a narrow CPR. But remember, even though if it is a narrow CPR, the distance between previous day high and low is very high. So probably you should avoid trading on that particular day. And on 6th July, maybe you could have taken a reversal trade from S1 previous day low. You could have taken a reversal trade when the markets are coming below daily CPR once again, and when the market is coming above daily CPR. So these are small scalping trades. Until and unless you are experienced trader, you cannot trade these kind of range markets. So a beginner should focus on S1 previous day low, R1 previous day high religiously. On 7th July, S1 previous day low was broken, and on 10th July, there was a beautiful reversal from R1 and previous day high, and there is a fall below daily CPR, so you could have probably went for a short position scalping. And then on 11th July, again a quick reversal from R1 and previous day high, and again a breakout from daily CPR. And on 12th July, very wide CPR, the market is inside the CPR. So even though you are getting any long or short opportunity, probably you just avoid. On 13th July, we got a R1 previous day high breakout, and the candles reached R2, and then the candles reversed from R1 previous day high for a quick scalping till daily CPR. So these are some good quality scalping opportunity. And then again on 14th July it is a wide CPR. Probably you can avoid trading since the candles are entering inside the CPR zone, or you can go for a small scalping opportunity. After that you could probably avoid. On 17th July it is a narrow CPR. So though the candles are inside narrow CPR, still you can go for a trade opportunity. Whenever the candles are having a narrow CPR, though the candles are inside narrow CPR, you can go for a short opportunity. But when the candles are having a wide CPR, and if the candles are inside wide CPR, don't go for a long opportunity or short opportunity. Avoid trading. On 17th July, a beautiful market. If you remember, on 17th July, Nifty was at all-time high, but Banknifty was not at all-time high. And then Banknifty started to give a rally to reach all-time high levels. So the rally started on 17th July. And on 18th July, some profit booking was happening. Candles, there was no much trade opportunity. Okay. And on 19th July, again, wide CPR, the candles are inside CPR, probably you should avoid. And then on 20th July, once again, R1 previous day high was broken, R2 was broken. Even I was giving live market guidance in my Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined, you can join using the scrolling given below. And then again, 21st July, a wide CPR, no trading day. And on 24th July, it is a medium size CPR. The candles are taking resistance at CPR, and then the candles are coming down. You can go for a short position for a quick scalping trade. On 25th July, candles are coming below daily CPR. Candles are breaking S1 and previous day low. Even if your stop loss is it over here, you can go for a short once again when the S1 and previous day low is broken. And on 26th July, the candles are stuck inside the range. So probably you could have gone for a long here and here, and even for a short over here. But remember, the range is very wide. So probably you should avoid a trading. But even if you have tried for a scalping, then you could have possibly taken these trades. 27th July, the candles reversed from R1 and previous day high over here. You could have gone for a short. Candles came below S1 and previous day low. You could have gone for a short. On 28th July, it was a wide CPR. The candles were stuck inside this range. Probably you could have avoided taking trades on that particular day. And on 31st July, the range is very wide. So the market was almost replicating one of the days in July. It was happening over here, right? So the range is very wide, and Banknifty reversed from daily CPR a couple of times. So same thing happened on 31st July as well, right? The candles were having a wide range, and the candles were bouncing from daily CPR a couple of times, similar to that particular day. So overall, July month was not bad. It was not like May and June, so we should thank God. However, we got some good opportunities in the month of July. July month, according to me, it's good. All right. And even we saw market reaching all-time highs. So, what can we expect for this upcoming month? For the August month, what can we expect from the market? Now, if you see, as per Dow theory, after taking support around these levels, Banknifty gave a good rally, and then there was a support over here, and then Banknifty took a support over here, and then Banknifty went up, and then here you can probably see a small pullback. Even if it is not visible in daily chart, you can see that in hourly chart that was a good pullback. Now Banknifty is trying to take support over here. There are chances if that support is broken, Banknifty will land towards this support and finally towards this support. Chances are there, chances are high. Now in monthly CPR also, as per daily chart, we are having a narrow monthly CPR. So this is a very, very narrow monthly CPR. Last time we had a narrow monthly CPR in the month of January. And in the month of January, we saw a close to 5% fall from here to here. No, almost a 9% fall from that particular high till this low. So close to 9% fall in the month of January because of monthly narrow CPR. Same thing can happen this month also, August, because we are having a narrow monthly CPR. We are expecting the market to fall because the candles are trading below monthly CPR. So when the candles are trading below monthly CPR, it means the entire month is going to be bearish. So what I will expect, whenever the candles are below daily CPR, I will go for a short. Whenever the candles are breaking S1 and previous day low, I will go for a short. Whenever the candles are reversing from R1 and previous day, I will go for a short. So this is how you have to approach the market for this month, considering the market trading below monthly CPR. And as per Dow theory also, we are anticipating that the market should fall because, as I said earlier, in hourly chart, this was a very beautiful pullback. Alright, so that pullback has been broken. This swing low has been broken. Alright, so as per hourly chart, Banknifty went up in this fashion. It broke the swing low over here. It took resistance, and once again it has broken the swing low over here. So there are higher chances Banknifty will fall up to 44,600. Once 44,600 is broken, there are higher chances Banknifty might fall up to 43,400 levels. So this is the trade plan for the upcoming month of August. And even the India VIX is very low. So anytime India VIX might spike out if there is any global news, and that will lead the market to fall further. Alright, so this is the trade plan as well as the review for Banknifty. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye.